I really cannot believe that it has been 4 months since I did my last real face-to-face video as far as long form video. Now, I've been keeping up with my shorts and I have been consistently getting those out to you every single day. But baby, I have fallen short on the long form videos, which is what I'm doing for you today. So let's get right into it. Rebuilding after 40, how to create income online without feeling overwhelmed. Let me say this plain. If you are over 40 and you know that you need to create income online, but every single time you sit down to try to figure out what you can do and your brain decides to pull you in 100 different ways, this video is for you, because that right there is where a whole lot of people get stuck. You're not stuck because you're lazy, you don't really know what to do, or you don't even have the skills. That's not why you're stuck. You're stuck because you're overwhelmed. And I wanted to make this video because there are just too many women sitting on knowledge, sitting on information, your lived life experiences, wisdom, and real gifts. But because there are so many ways for you to make money online, you freeze because you don't know what to do. The real problem, though, is not the lack of ability. The real problem is too many options with no clarity. You see one person telling you to do affiliate marketing, then there's another saying, hey, go faceless. Then there's another that's telling you to create a course. Then they say, build a personal brand. Another says, get on YouTube. Then they say, go live. Another says, start with digital products. You need a funnel. You need paid ads. Then someone says, don't do paid ads. Then you got to build an email list first. These are all of the different things that you're probably hearing. Before you know it, you're sitting there at your computer or on your phone with 50 tabs open, trying to make sense and figure it all out. You become confused, tired, and you still are not moving. This is why I believe the first question is not what is the best way to make money online. The first question is what makes sense with where you are right now. What resources do you have access to right now? So you got to understand that every woman is not in the same season. You got some women that need money right now today, like their bills are due today. They are in the red today. Some women need help with building skills. You have some that need help with clarity. Some women have more time than money. And you even have some women with more knowledge than execution. Some women are good on camera and some do not want to be on camera at all. Some women can learn tech really quickly. And then you have some women who struggle with the very simple things as creating a Facebook page, creating a YouTube channel, creating an Instagram, creating a TikTok, knowing how to send an email, creating a list. And then you have some women who want something as simple as possible. So you got to think about all of those different scenarios that I just gave you. If you pick a path that is not aligned with where you are right now, a path that does not match your real life, you are going to so frustrate yourself. So if you're someone that needs money right now today, and then you pick a path that is going to take you 3 to 6 months to really learn, that's going to create money, then that's going to frustrate you. If you're the type of person that needs skills and structure, but then you're chasing all of the red shiny balls, fast money, every idea that you see, then you're going to stay all over the place. If you need personal support and clarity, but you keep purchasing things that require you to do things on your own, then you're going to stay stuck in your head. And that is why I help women rebuild after 40, creating income online from a place of where they are right now. Not based on what sounds or looks cute, not based on what someone else is doing, but based on where you are and what season you're in right now. Based on your actual season, your actual strength, your actual time, and your actual needs right now. And I think more women need to actually hear that, because there is nothing wrong with wanting more, right? There is nothing wrong with wanting more income. There's nothing wrong with wanting more freedom. There is nothing wrong with being at a point in your life where you're like, baby, I know there has got to be more than this right here. And based off of everything that I just shared with you, I have 3 different ways that I can help you right now based on where you are. If you need a money right now today path, I'm talking in the next 72 hours, I have a path for you. If you want a digital income path where you can learn in a self-paced way and figure things out on your own, I have that for you. And if you want my personal help where you're getting clear on what you want, on your path, your content, your direction, and what makes the most sense for you to focus on in the season that you're in right now, I have a limited time one-on-one coaching package exactly for you. My limited time one-on-one coaching is for the woman that is tired of spinning her wheels, tired of second guessing, tired of sitting on ideas, tired of knowing she has more inside of her, but she needs help getting it organized and getting it out of her. And inside of that, I'm going to help you get clear on, should you build face forward like what I'm doing here, or should you build faceless? What you should sell? What platform should you focus on? What actually fits your life right now? And because I know that AI is going to help you build faster, I'm even offering a bonus for a limited time where you can get ICA, which is the AI Creator Academy, free with the purchase of my mentorship. So listen, no, the goal is not to do everything. The goal is to choose the right step. That is where clarity comes in. That is where movement starts. That is where a whole lot of women need help. If this video has spoke to you and you know you need help figuring it all out and what path makes sense to you and your season that you're in right now, comment level up and I will point you in the right direction. In closing, I want you to know that you're not too late. You're not too old. You're not too behind. You are not done. But you do have to choose your next move, because where we're going with this economy, baby, one income stream is just not going to cut it. And you can never put all your eggs in one basket. You just cannot do that. Like, we are living in a time where just one basket just does not work. That is what this season is all about. So if you're rebuilding after 40 and you're wanting to create income online, you already know what to do. And on the recap, the first question should not be what is the best thing for you to do on the internet to make money. The first question should be what makes sense with where I am right now and what resources do I have access to? What time do I have? There's some questions that you got to ask with where are you right now. If you got some value out of this, please, please, please comment and share. If there's something you want me to talk about, please comment and leave that to me. If you have any questions, you already know what to do. You can comment and leave that as well. Please share this video with someone that could use it. If you have stayed to the end, I appreciate you and I thank you for watching. If you like my content and you got some value, please consider subscribing to my channel. I look forward to creating more content for you, because guess what? You know my favorite saying, it is officially level up season. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. It's your girl, Coach Nick, signing out. You already know what time it is. You know what time it is, baby. It's officially level up season. It's your girl, Coach Nick, signing out. And I want to thank you for if you are still here, I thank you for making it to the end. I appreciate you. I will see you on the next video. It's your girl, Nikki, PinkkGoddess, also known as Coach Nick, signing out. And I will see you. You already know I got to add it in, baby. It's officially level up season. Yes, baby, yes. It's officially level up season. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. You already know what time it is. We have made it to the... And in closing, okay, and I'm really going to close this time. In closing, okay. I'm really going to close this time. I'm going to close this time. I had to listen. If you made it to the end, I need you to know that I greatly appreciate you and I thank you for staying to the end. Nikki, what you gonna say? Thank you. If you made it to the end, I thank you. I thank you for making it to the end. If you're still here, listen, I will see you on the next video. It's your girl, Coach Nick. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you for making it. Prepare to be sick of me. It's time to get to these coins, y'all. It's the level up season. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. And this is why losing weight is a slow process for me. Help, y'all.